Hey YouTube, it's your girl Mone't, back with another video, and today I'm just going to be showing you guys how I wash and prep my bundles before I do my installs. I have a 16-inch bundle, an 18-inch bundle, and a 20-inch bundle in the pattern Loose Deep, and I got these from a company called Asteria hair. I'm going to leave their link in my bio down below in case you guys want to check them out as well. So if you guys want to see and learn how to wash and prep your bundles before your installs, just keep watching. And to wash my bundles today, I'm going to be using the olive oil creamy aloe shampoo. I love this shampoo. It smells so good and it always makes my hair feel so soft. So I'm just going to put this into the bundles and I'm going to stroke the hair in a downward position. When you're washing bundles, I don't recommend mashing the hair up like into a ball kind of when you're washing it, because it honestly creates a lot of naps in the hair and then you end up pulling out more hair when you comb it. So I recommend just doing like long strokes like you see me doing there, and just, you know, fingering your hands through the hair and not necessarily mashing it all together. I also like to wash my bundles twice with shampoo. I just feel like it gets the smell of the bundles out more. Sometimes when you get your bundles in the mail, they have like a funny smell. So I just definitely recommend washing them twice just to make sure you get all of that out. And then after I'm done shampooing the hair, I'm going to go in with my olive oil replenishing conditioner that's infused with sweet orange oil. And I definitely recommend this shampoo and conditioner combo for washing your hair because it's definitely one of my favorites right now. Now I'm going to take my comb and I'm just going to comb through the hair and make sure that I have all the knots out if there is any, and just make sure I'm combing all the way through the hair and working that conditioner through it. After I'm done, I just like to place the hair on a towel in like a bunched up position. I kind of bunch it up all on top of each other. To me, it helps keep the curl pattern while the hair is resting on the towel. And then, yeah, after that, I just move on to the next bundle and I do the very same thing. So I'm just gonna speed up the rest of this video and then I'm gonna come back and talk to you guys at the end. done washing my bundles, I'm just going to wash my hands off and just clean up my area before I move on to the next step. Then I'm going to grab me a large size bowl and I'm just going to fill that with a little bit of my olive oil conditioner. You don't have to put too much. I just put, about 10 to 12 drops or so, but you can honestly use as much as you want. So after that, I'm just going to fill the bowl with hot water, mix that around and mix all the conditioner in, and then I'm just going to add each bundle in there at a time. Next, I'm going to take my bowl over to the microwave and I'm just going to heat it up for about 2 minutes long. And when the 2 minutes is up on the microwave, you're just going to want to check the hair and make sure everything is okay, and then leave the hair sit in the microwave for another 15 to 20 minutes. Next, I'm going to bring my bowl back over to the sink and I'm just going to drain out all the water that we have left in there. And then I'm going to rinse off each bundle and place them back on the towel. After I finish doing this, I'll be back with the next step. Now this step can be done multiple different ways, but this is the way that I like to do mine. So I just start off by taking each bundle, and as you can see, each bundle looks nice and soft and shiny now that they've been washed and prepped. So I just take each bundle and I cut the rubber band from around each one. And then I just start to pull the bundle apart, separating the hair. And this won't knot the hair at all. The hair will come apart from the bundle very easily. Now after I'm done separating the bundle, I then like to go in and fold the hair about 2 or 3 times, just so that you have enough hair that will all fit on the towel, without any of it coming off of the towel basically. So yeah, just take that bundle and you're gonna fold it about 2 or 3 times and then lay it down on the towel. And after you're finished laying the hair out, you are officially done. And as you can see, the hair still looks really shiny and soft and ready for your install. And if you're looking for any new hair growth products, these are my official hair growth oils, and these are handcrafted by me with a mixture of castor oil, sweet almond oil, olive oil, and avocado oil. And they're really good for helping you get those natural strands back, nice and healthy. So if you want to get this product, follow my business page on Instagram at MelanieLoveBeauty.